Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem, which is 29 to the power of 3 plus 15 to the power of 3 divided by 14 to the power of 3 plus 29 to the power of 3. So let's provide a solution from here. So we can let a to be equal to 14 and we can let b to be equal to 15. So that now we can express 29 as a plus b raised to the power of 3 then plus b to the power of 3 divided by 14 is the same thing as a to the power of 3 plus 29, which is a plus b to the power of 3. Now a plus b to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, this is in the form of x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3, which can be expressed as x plus y into the parentheses. This is x to the power of 2 minus xy plus y to the power of 2. Applying this identity, then in the numerator we have a plus b plus b. Here we have a plus b to the power of 2, then subtract b times a plus b, then plus b to the power of 2. Everything here divided by, this is a to the power of 3 plus ab to the power of 3. So this is the same thing as a plus b. Then we have a to the power of 2, then minus a times a plus b, then plus a plus b to the power of 2. So this is equal to a plus b plus b. This is a plus 2b. Then here we have a plus b to the power of 2. This is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Let's open the parentheses here. This is minus ab. This is minus ab. Then plus b times b. This is b. This is minus b to the power of 2. Then plus b to the power of 2. Everything here divided by 2a, because a plus a, this is 2a, then plus b into the parentheses. This is a squared minus a times a. This is minus a to the power of 2, then minus a times plus b. This becomes minus ab, then plus, let's expand this, a plus b to the power of 2. This is the same thing as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Now, the next step is that we have a plus 2b into the parentheses. This is a squared. This is a squared plus b squared. Now, we have minus b squared plus b squared. This simplifies. Then we have plus 2ab minus ab. This is plus ab. Then divided by, this is 2a plus b into the parentheses. This is a squared minus a squared. This simplifies. Then here we have a squared. Now we have minus ab plus 2ab. So this is plus ab. Then we have plus b squared. Now the next step from here, we have a squared plus ab plus b squared is common here. So we can simplify. So that now we have a plus 2b divided by 2a plus b. Now if you recall, we have seen that we let a to be equal to 14 and b be equal to 15. So let's substitute a and b. So this is 14 plus 2 times 15 divided by, we have 2 times 14, then plus 15. So this is equal to, here we have 14 plus 15 times 2, this is 30, divided by 14 times 2, this is 28, then plus 15. So this means that this is equal to 44 divided by 28 plus 15, this is equal to 43. So here we have the solution as 44 over 43. So this is the solution to this math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.